Hello and welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss the following question, and the question says that find the first order partial derivatives of z equal to y e raised to power y by x. We have z equal to y into e raised to power y by x, and we have to find the first order partial derivatives del z by del x and del z by del y. To find del z by del x, we have to differentiate partially the given function with respect to x, treating y as constant. So now, on differentiating partially with respect to x and treating y as constant, we get del z by del x is equal to y into e raised to power y by x del by del x of y by x. As the derivative of e raised to power y by x is equal to e raised to power y by x into del by del x of y by x. So now del z by del x will be equal to y into e raised to power y by x into y into minus 1 by x square. Now, as partial derivative of e raised to power y by x is equal to e raised to power y by x into the partial derivative of y by x. So here y is a constant and partial derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. So now del z by del x is equal to minus y square by x square into e raised to power y by x. Now we have to find del z by del y. For this, we have to differentiate partially the given function z equal to y into e raised to power y by x with respect to y, treating x as constant. We get del z by del y equal to del by del y of y into e raised to power y by x. Here we will have to use the product rule of differentiation. So the partial derivative of z with respect to y is equal to y into del by del y of e raised to power y by x plus e raised to power y by x into del by del y of y. So this is equal to y into e raised to power y by x into del by del y of y by x plus e raised to power y by x into 1. As partial derivative of y by x is equal to 1 by x and partial derivative of y is 1. So now del z by del y is equal to y into e raised to power y by x into 1 by x plus e raised to power y by x, which is equal to e raised to power y by x into y by x plus 1. So finally we have del z by del y is equal to e raised to power y by x into y by x plus 1 the whole. Hence, these are the required partial derivatives. This completes our session. Hope you enjoyed this session.